Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening settings. Go straight to focus. Tap Do Not Disturb to access its controls because this is where silencing rules live. Once you're in, note the central toggle at the top and the list of allowed people and apps below. These set what's muted versus what can still notify you. Make sure your device is unlocked and on a reliable network so settings save correctly as you proceed to refine behavior. Now refine the behavior. Toggle Do Not Disturb on to test changes, and if you use a schedule, edit its start and end times so it matches your routine. Tap Allowed People to permit calls or messages from selected contacts, and adjust allowed apps to whitelist critical apps. This prevents missing urgent alerts. Also check home screen and lock screen options to hide or show silence notifications, because visual feedback helps you confirm the mode is truly restricting interruptions. To finish, turn Do Not Disturb off. Swipe to Control Center and tap the moon icon or toggle it off in settings. Once done, make sure sounds and banners return by testing a call or message. If you still hear nothing, reboot the iPhone to clear temporary system issues. If problems persist, open focus settings and review automations or reset focus to default. Resetting resolves stuck configurations, but remember, it removes custom modes and rules, so recreate any needed exceptions afterward.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.